Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So buying an S&P 500 investment on Stash is one of the easiest ways for beginners to start investing in the stock market. Instead of purchasing hundreds of individual stocks, you can invest in an ETF that tracks the S&P 500 and gain exposure to many America's largest companies through a single investment. Stash also supports fractional shares, allowing investors to start with smaller amounts of money. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to buy S&P 500 on Stash in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, open a Stash account. Okay, so if you don't already have an account, create a Stash investing account, complete identity verification, personal information, account setup. Once approved, you will gain access to Stash's investing platform. So an investment account is required before buying ETFs. Okay, so now link your bank account. Okay, so in order to add money to your account, you have to do that, like tap transfer money or add cash. Choose the amount you want to invest and confirm the transfer from your linked bank account. So as you can see here in these examples, you go to direct deposit. Okay, complete like this. You have all the steps in this picture, and as you can see, here is the last thing. Okay, so search for an S&P 500 ETF, like tap the invest or search tab, enter VO in the search bar, and select the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF from the results. Okay, so as you can see here in these pictures that we have in our example. Okay, do the same and everything will be all right. Okay, so alternative SP 500 ETFs include VO, IVV, and SPY. So open the ETF page, like review the ETF's details, click performance history, holdings and fees, and tap buy or invest, and that's it. So enter the amount to invest. Okay, so enter a dollar amount. Stash supports fractional investing, so you can start with a small amount rather than purchasing a full share. Okay, and review your goal, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.